about the molecular events that underlie the action of quinolone antibiotics, much remains to be clarified. Fluoroquinolones act by inhibiting the activity of both the DNA gyrase and the topoisomerase 4 enzymes. For most gram-negative bacteria, DNA gyrase is the primary fluoroquinolone target. Fluoroquinolones have been shown to bind specifically to the complex of DNA gyrase and DNA rather than the DNA gyrase alone. As a result of this binding, quinolones appear to stabilize the enzyme DNA complexes, which in turn results in breaks in the DNA that are fatal to the bacterium. A second mechanism of fluoroquinolone action is shown here. With some exceptions, topoisomerase 4 is the primary target of fluoroquinolone action in most gram-positive bacteria, such as Staphylococci and Streptococci, with DNA gyrase being a secondary target. The separation of two new interlinked daughter strands of circular DNA is disrupted. The final result on the bacteria, however, is the same. Bacterial replication is disrupted and the bacterium breaks apart. The relative potency of different fluoroquinolone antibiotics, and thus their spectrum of activity, is dependent in part on their affinity for either DNA gyrase or topoisomerase 4, or both.